Hi, this is Mr. Hun. I have good news for all gig workers and digital nomads and freelancers and contractors. So so last year and this year, there's a lot of hubbub about the 600 $600 IRS rule on Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal. So the Trump's big beautiful bill has put a kibosh on what used to be what previously was your Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. They were required to generate 1099K and send it to the IRS under two conditions. If you if you receive more than 20 if you receive more than $20,000 in 1 year, or you had more than 200 transactions. And then that was going to be changed starting in 2026. It was going to be changed to a low figure of $600. So anything past as soon as you went past $600 in transactions, and regardless of how many transactions you had in that tax year, then 1099K would be generated and sent to the IRS. Of course, in either case, you are still, according to the IRS, you are still supposed to account for all your income and report it accordingly, of course. So now we've gone back to so because of the President Trump's big, beautiful bill, so we're going back to the previous, previous the situation where Cash App, Venmo, and PayPal would only send 1099K to the IRS. Once you go past $20,000 in transactions for that year, or if you went over 200 transactions for the tax year. I did find three sources, so I'm not just telling you from one source. So one source was the Avalara. I think that's different. I'm not 100% sure. Avalara. It's Avalara is a company that provides cloud-based tax compliance software that helps businesses automate various aspects of tax management. Basically, e-commerce, state taxes, and e-commerce, basically. And so, in their blog, was published July 15, 2025, by Gail Cole. So the title of the blog is "One Big Beautiful Bill Act Changes 1099 Thresholds." Basically, what I just told you before. Initially, I saw on my YouTube feed, I saw a YouTube video from the YouTube channel LYFE Accounting. And the title of the video was, and you can watch it, of course, yourself, "Breaking: Trump Just Killed the $600 IRS Rule. Cash App, Venmo, PayPal users win." I did find another YouTube video. So I've totaled three sources where I'm getting this information, and not just, based on, one source. The YouTube channel, the other second YouTube channel is Not Your Dad CPA. And the title of his video was titled, "Did the IRS Just Cancel the $600 tax rule for the 1099K?" Now, this doesn't mean you don't have to pay taxes. Of course you have to pay taxes. So regardless whether it is over $20,000 of transactions that you've incurred, or less than 20, it doesn't matter. So whatever income that you generated or received through PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo, you have to account for that on your federal taxes. Of course, state taxes you have to check with your local state, local city and state. You have to deal with that separately. Talking about IRS to federal taxes. Just the last bit, just to let you know, I'm not a financial expert. I'm not a tax lawyer or a CPA or accountant. So any information I provide in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Thank you very much and have a great day.